Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the Southern snack in this video. Dairy Queen, Snickers, Brownie, Blizzard review. This is the second new one that he uploaded today, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Man, I'm loving the color, just the surroundings around me this morning. It's a different vibe from where we were at yesterday. Same location, same Dairy Queen and everything. So very interesting to see the change in the vibe. So, what are we here doing? What are we here trying? Well, Dairy Queen's fall menu is out. And I just tried the Cinnamon Bun Centers Blizzard yesterday. I hate when people just randomly pull up. Hey, guy. Hey, what's up? You know, you could have parked anywhere else. But anyways, so we have the Snickers, Brownie, Blizzard, right? Caramel topping, Brownie pieces, and Snicker pieces loaded up in here. So we ain't going to waste any time getting to this review, right? Oh, man. The spoon is making it impossible to do a thumbnail. Alright, so yeah, as I said, 3 indulgent combinations, and here we go, let's try it out. Ooh, the dynamic here. The chewy, fudgy brownie pieces mixed with crunchy Snicker pieces. They absolutely knew what they were doing when they drew this up on the drawing board. I just love this. You know, yesterday I enjoyed the gooey cinnamon bun pieces that came in the Cinnamon Bun Centers, or Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard. I really did. I enjoyed it. But this brings a whole different dynamic, and here's another look here. Maybe that's my thumbnail, I don't know. But, you know.
Hold on everyone, let me check on Snoopy, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
I'm a sucker for chocolate. And you can't beat brownies with chocolate. I mean, you can't beat brownies with ice cream. And B, when you mix in some candy pieces, oh my goodness, it's over. And then that undertone of caramel flavor too, because that's mixed in. It's so divine. And that's not to discredit the Cinnamon Bun Blizzard by any means, but you know, that's just a more straightforward Blizzard. I think it had cream cheese, and then, you know, it was really good. It was, you know, maybe not quite the quality of a Cinnabon Cinnamon Bun, but it was good. This, to me, is next level. Apologies, next level. Absolutely next level. Crunch, chew, rich.
Hold on everyone, notifications popped up. Let me take care of them and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Chocolate flavor. And then the caramel kind of comes in there too and adds that really nice dynamic as well. So yeah, if you have a Dairy Queen near you, I give this one a 10 out of 10. very good combinations here. Credit to Dairy Queen. Has me really excited to try the Heath Brownie confection. I really think that's going to be solid. And then, we'll have to see about this caramel mocha chip shake that they also have. Anyways, is there anything else you would like me to review? Tell me if I haven't reviewed the pumpkin pie blizzard. I will do it. Tell me if I haven't reviewed Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. I will also review that. I'll probably do my research on both of those just so I know whether I've reviewed it or not. But I love your suggestions. Anyways, that's it for this one. And I'll see y'all around. Yay!
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or the Southern Snacks channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 6,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 6,000 subscribers on my main channel and 1,000 subscribers on my second channel too, please everybody. Please everybody, please, please everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.